Hi, my name is Jasmine, and today we are going to be talking about composing and decomposing numbers 11 through 19. Today we are specifically going to focus on composing numbers to get to 11 and also decomposing the number 11. Let's get started. Composing is when you put numbers together to make a bigger number. There are many ways that you can put numbers together to make a bigger number. Okay, so let's see. Look what happens when I have the numbers 10 and the number 1. What will happen if you put 10 plus 1 together? You get 10, 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This means that 11 can be taken apart into 10 and 1. Let's see. So we have the number 11. So if 10 plus 1 equals 11, that means 11 can be broken down into 10 and 1. We can put together and also take the number 11 apart with different numbers. This is called decomposing. When you decompose a number, you are breaking apart numbers into parts. Okay, let's also write that composing is when you put numbers together to make a number. So now that we know what composing and decomposing is, it can be broken down into different ways, such as 10 and 1, but there's also other ways that it can be broken down. So let's check that out. So we have the number 11. Okay, so here's the number 5. And here is the number 6. What happens if we put 5 and 6 together? Let's see, 5 plus 6 equals 11. The 5 and the 6 come together and make the number 11. That means that the number 11 can be taken apart and be decomposed. If we have the number 11 and we're asked to decompose this number, we can break that number up into a 5 and a 6. Okay, so another way we can look at this, say we have 11 pieces of yellow bubble gum. So let's get 11. So we're going to use our 1. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So say we have 11 pieces of yellow bubble gum. Okay, so we can take them apart or rearrange them. Let's say we have 2 pieces of yellow bubble gum and we separate them from the rest. So we have 2 and then we have 9. We have 2, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 2 over here and 9 over here. We still have 11 pieces of yellow bubble gum. What happens if let's say we move one of these over here? 1, 2, 3. And over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We still have 11 pieces of yellow bubble gum. 3 plus 8 equals 11. So you can see that the number 11 can be decomposed many ways, and there are also ways to compose numbers to get 11. So we've already went over 6 plus 5 is 11. We did 2 plus 9 equals 11. Did 10 plus 1 equals 11. So if you see here, there are many different ways to decompose numbers, and there's still more ways that we can decompose the number 11. And also, we compose the number 3 plus 8 to make 11, 6 plus 5 to 11, 2 plus 9 equals 11, and 10 plus 1 equals 11. So composing, remember, equals putting numbers together to make a number, and decomposing is breaking apart numbers into parts. So let's review. To decompose 11, we can break it up into 5 and 6. We can break 11 up to 10 and the number 1. We can break 11 up into the numbers 9 and 2, because 9 plus 2 equals 11. And we can also break the number 11 up into 3 and 8, because 3 plus 8 equals 11. Okay, so I hope you guys are understanding this lesson. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and raise your hand now. That right now is going to conclude the composing and decomposing numbers 11 through 19 lesson. Thank you very much.